In this lesson, you will learn 7 new words. Number 1, машина, a car. Ma-sh-na, mashina. Number 2, дом, a house. Дом. Number 3, книга, a book. Книга. Книга. Number 4, телевизор, a TV. Те-ле-вИ-зор. Телевизор. Number 5, gaz'Eta, a newspaper. gaz'Eta. gaz'Eta. Number 6, kvart'EEra, a flat, an apartment. kvart'EEra. kvart'EEra. Number 7, музыка, music. Музыка. Музыка. Look at the pictures and say the things. Picture number 1. Picture number 1, дом. Picture number 2. Picture number 2, kvart'EEra. Picture number 3. Picture number 3, машина. Picture number 4. Picture number 4, музыка. Picture number 5. Picture number 5, книга. Picture number 6. Picture number 6, телевизор. Picture number 7. Picture number 7, gaz'Eta. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for updates weekly. See you next time. Bye.